What is up? So, I'm back with a little stoner snack, aka a KillaByte. Now, what is it? Don't remember. Good old Mickey D's McRibs. Well, you know the Hungry Man dinners. The Salisbury beef steakettes, and there's also another flavor, simulates it. So you grab that. You also grab the buffalo chicken one, mozza sticks, bun, spicy Havarti cheese, and A1 or steak sauce. And you got yourself dope ass fucking rib sandwich burger thing. The first step though, I would say, is do the mozza sticks. Cause these, you just throw them in the microwave. Like Lily, you see this? Alright, so it's the way it's set. Because some shit's gonna happen, trust me. See you, Louie. Just grab it. I got it. Microwave's over here. It's in there. Let's start with the mozza sticks. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, what the fuck? I don't know. Oh, what the fuck's this? That's right. We got new backpacks and a few other things. Check the shops. We always do. We'll have new stuff coming. Always. But let's get in a backpack here. It's a writer's backpack. Little leather bottom, canvas top. And it got the best family name right there. So, now you just grab your trees and you slice her up. Either, down or horizontal. Depends on how much cheese you want. I like cheese, so I'm gonna do a little bit. Now, what you do is if you like cheese, like I do, I usually put a little slice on the bottom, like that. So let's put that, and let's do extra on the bottom too. You know what? Let's slice some more, because fuck yeah. Fucking A. Yo, I forgot to mention too, the mozza sticks are spicy. They're jalapeno mozza sticks. So poppers. And there they are, baby. Alright, so these here, the steaks, are gonna have to go back in. But I don't need all that. Obviously, I'm gonna eat that, but Anyway. So I just sat it out on a plate. What's in there now is the chicken. So, what I'm saying is y'all better be enjoying it so far. Try it for real, cause that's bomb as fuck, honestly. And we back with the munchies. Finally the fucking shit just turned off. But here it is. we got the bun, we got the sticks, we got the meat, and we got the cheese. So now, you can really do it in any order, but I usually do the steak first, a chicken, oh actually no, Mozza sticks. Damn boy, we're gonna have 3 of those bastards on them. 3. And then you do the chicken. Or, let's see, let's do 1 strip and cut 1 in half. It is true what they say, it is hard doing it one-handed. My fucking tripod mount thing just literally broke right before I fucking started this one. Okay, you're gonna be a fucking bastard, aren't you? You're hot. It is gonna be a bastard, but I'm gonna win, trust me. Then you put the cheese. And this may be a bit weird for you some, but you actually put steak sauce in potato, like mashed potatoes, then you put that on top of that. So for this, let's just try and do it here. Okay, now I'm gonna have to put y'all down, so let's just put y'all here. Hey, getting my goods, fucking angle lover, eh? Look at that. Just spread her just a little bit, and voila. Now, I know it's big, but look at that. Oh, boy, look at it. And that is the ribeye, or not ribeye, Jesus. The McRib Mozza stick burger. What y'all think about it, huh?